What's up, everybody? What's up, everybody? I'm working on my Porsche 944. I am going to be working on my battery wiring. I was going to order some offline, which cost me about 250 bucks, which I am going to show right here. Now, I was like, I do have a nearby auto parts store, so why not get it going? Now, this car do start and all that. I do have a new alternator underneath the car. What we're gonna do, I'm gonna end up, I don't know what size this is, might be a 5/16. Remove this. I believe this goes all the way straight down to the alternator. So if I could find a new wire, I think it would be good. All this other wiring and all that goes into the chassis. And I don't know where this red wire go at, but I think I'm gonna unravel everything and just go back track. I am gonna get a new cable because I don't like this one particular setup, but we're gonna see though. But we have the ground, it's right here, that attached to this side wall, and then we just have everything on the positive side. Now this car do crank up and start. I did order some new parts. I ordered me a new temperature sensor for this radiator. I ordered another sensor right here. Forgot what you would call it, but it's right here, this temperature for the engine block. I ordered that. That was new. Then I had got a new reference and a crank sensor, the Bosch original. And I had spent like about 193 bucks. But anyway, the packages did not get delivered. They got back sent to the sender. So I had to rebuy them again. And yeah. And then from this alternator, which I'm probably gonna move this box right here. As you can see, this is the wire right here. I need to get a new wire for here. And I think this is for the ignition. It goes here. I wanted to do something with this, but it like melted. I want to do something about this. I was thinking about cutting this in, and then just cutting it, connecting it together, or find another connector or something. Anyway, we're just trying to get this wire and all that straight. All right, guys, so we got more room after moving that air box right there, as you can see. So we got this one main wire that goes to this alternator right here, which I don't like. So this goes to the starter. And then we got this small little blue wire that goes there. So like I said, I could, do something about this wire right here, which I will probably end up doing. So I'm gonna just take each wire. I don't know what gauge this one is, but I need to find it, get an O-ring connector, have everything nice and neat, and go from there. All right, guys, so this is the wire that goes towards our ignition. So when we turn the key and all that, it will energize this solenoid and all that inside here. So this is this wire right here. And if I could just redo this, have it nice and neat, just going straight forward without wire nuts and all that, that would be nice. Then we got this black wire, which goes towards the positive terminal. And then we have this red wire that goes towards that alternator. So if I can just get a new wire, take all this crap out, and just get a new one, that would be perfectly fine. All right, guys, so I'm pulling out all this wiring and stuff. This goes inside towards the chassis. I'm gonna put everything neatly. Like I said, we got this one wire that goes to the alternator, hooks over here. This is from the ignition switch right here. I need to take that alternator wire off. Really? I just need one big long positive cable. I'm gonna have a red one. Oh, I might do black. I might have a black one going and then just have that red one. Just get a red cable. I don't know what size this is, so I'm gonna just see what size wire this is and go from there. Okay, guys, so I cut this part off right here, so I'm gonna take this with me. Got all this other wire loose, and I got to loosen this, but we're gonna have a nice wire that runs straight here. You can get everything nice up here. That's how I want. I'm gonna get it nice. Let me see. Hopefully I got the wires and all that I need. If I come over here, we do have see, we have the ground wire right here. We got the alternator wire here, and then we got the positive cable wire here. So if I just get some new wires and all that, I'm going to be straight. I'm going to be a-okay. What's up, guys? What's up, guys? What's up, guys? So got me a crimping tool for the battery terminals. I got me a sleeve. I got some other stuff so we can make this stuff happen. So O'Reilly's, AutoZone and stuff, which I'm not surprised they never have the tools that I always need. And Harbor Freight always come in clutch. They always do. This tool that I had got right here, I got it for 20% off. So I do have like a membership there, but Harbor Freight always treated me good. They always had what I needed that the auto parts store never had or never have. So Harbor Freight always coming in clutch. But anyway, I'm heading back to the house so we can finish this thing up. I'm gonna start with the smaller wires and go from there. I couldn't find a connector piece. Probably could have found one at Harbor Freight, but I didn't look. O'Reilly's and they didn't have one, so I think I'm gonna just use some butt connectors, or maybe some spade female male connectors, and put them in and just see if that would do it, but we'll see. So these are other goodies I got. I got mainly all my parts from Advanced Auto. So I got the ground battery cable. I got me some other wiring, so it's pretty good. And then I got me some sleeves. So yeah, and I think I had got some zip ties. I don't know if I bought zip ties or not. All right, guys, so we are back on the Porsche 944. So anyway, let's get started. So if we come over here, guys, I got all my terminal connectors and all that I need. I got this from Harbor Freight probably like 3 months ago, maybe. I had it for a while. We got this sleeve right here. This is the old wiring and all that right there. This is a new wire. Right now, what I'm gonna do is probably go ahead and put that ground wire on. Why not? It's the easiest. And I do want to crimp another wire on here. Alright, guys, so we got our terminal connector. We're just gonna put it in here. I already spliced it, and then we're gonna be using this tool right here. Got music in the background. Alright, guys, so we're gonna put this in like so. And I'm gonna use this thing. I'm gonna make sure it is on, and hopefully I can get down on it. I'm about to do, it's gonna be a little physical. That's a fail. She ain't going nowhere, guys. Cable in, I'm gonna run it. All right, guys, so right now doing the red ignition wire, which goes to the solenoid. So yeah, guys, so got our positive cable right here, and then we got the other one right here. All right, guys, so I got my positive cable wire, got my ground in, got the other wire right here ran, got everything zip tied right here. This is the positive, this is running towards the alternator, so yeah, it goes to this door. All Alright guys, so I got this closed up a little bit. I'm working on an alternator wire now, which is this blue wire, which I don't know what it's for, but it goes here. Then we're gonna have the original alternator wire going to the alternator, and I'm gonna have everything wrapped up in here. I might have to get some more, but we'll see how much we got left. Hey guys, so we got our positive wire from the battery to the alternator. We got our alternator wire to the alternator, and then we have this wire from the ignition to the solenoid. So right now, just wrapping it up neat so I can put it in here as of for right now. And yeah. So I got it in. But this is how we got it right now, nice and wrapped up. So I'm just going to move it down. All right guys, so I got it. It's kind of hard to tell, but it looked pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and, that thing look dusty and stuff, but it's dark. So yeah, so we got the battery in, got the cables and all that in. See if I can get the car started in a bit. Guys, let's go in to get it started. Probably gonna take a little minute. Almost there. There we go. Got good oil pressure. Gonna let the temp rise up. I might end up getting a Momo wheel, or I might just leave this steering wheel, just depending. And I don't think my gas gauge reading right, so I'm gonna have to get like a new sender. But we'll see how long it runs. All right, guys, it's going to be pretty much it. I just need to tidy everything up once I work back on it again, but that's going to be pretty much it. Anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Let me know if y'all have any thoughts down below. All we have to do is really get the suspension on so we get this car back on the road. Peace.